Alright, I'm going to show you how to change the tire. As you can see, the tire is flat. It's got a hole in it someplace. Now this is a 26-inch tire. Here's the number, 26 by 1.95. So just get this, a 26-inch tube. You can get this at a Walmart for about $5. The next thing you want to do is take your tire off. It's easy. Right in there, like that. And then just twist and take the tire off. And then just pull the tube out. Just like that. Take your new tube, pull it out, and put it back in the tire. Simple. And then place the tire back on your rim. There you go. Alright, and then put your rubber back on your rim. There we go. Come on, pump it up. You're ready to go. Harder. Good.